Malaysian butter cake. No grams, only cup measurements. My grandma has been making this since the 1950s and it is a family favorite. Malaysian butter cake, a very simple cup measurement recipe: 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of caster sugar, 1 cup of butter or margarine, 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. The first step is to cream the butter and the sugar for at least 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes nice and fluffy, as you can see. This is not your butter cake that you can put icing and you can find in the shops, the moist variety. This is a more crumbly cake because we use extra flours, and as usual the eggs go in one by one. Take your time. In goes the essence and put in the flour. As you can see, 2 times the normal amount of flour. So this cake is crumbly and you have this for tea time. We like to dunk it in our coffee, tea, Milo. And because the cake is not very moist, you need to add in at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk towards the end so you get a batter that you can still work with. Now that's done. Let's line a wide tray with some margarine or butter and some flour. This is a very classic Malaysian way of doing it. My grandma has been doing this in large batches since the 1950s, normally for Deepavali or birthdays and celebrations. Because there is a lot of flour in the cake can last for a long time. 45 minutes, 180 degrees in the oven, of course. There you go. Now to check, my grandmother will do this. If it springs back up, then it's ready. Number 1. Number 2, if it has lifted off the sides, confirm the cake is ready. We don't use a toothpick. That's her tips and it usually works. Look at that. It is a delicious tea time cake. It's crumbly, it lasts for a long time in a tin, and yeah, you can make this in whatever flavor you like.